Hi, this is Gary with MacMost Now. On today's episode, let's learn how to use iCal to schedule Automator events. So Automator will allow you to create actions that your computer can perform automatically. But did you know you can use iCal to schedule these events to run on a regular schedule or at some point in the future? So let's set up a somewhat useful Automator script that someone may want to run every week. We'll start with finding iPhoto items. And let's say we want to find the ones that are new this week. So we can set it to date photographed is this week, or we can set it to is in the last 7 days. Since I don't have that many photos on this particular computer, I'm going to set it to the last, say, 12 months. I can run it and see what the results are here, and we can see I've gotten a bunch of photos in the results. So that's fine. Now I want to go to the next step and create thumbnails from these. Now that I've created thumbnails from these, I can set the size. I'm going to create a new mail message. From those thumbnails. I'm going to have it sent to me. And I'm going to give it the subject, this week's photos. I can add something to the message if I want, but instead I'm just going to send outgoing messages. When I run this, we'll run iPhoto, create the thumbnails, create a new message in Mail, and send it. Now if I check my work here, I can get Mail and see that there it is. There's the message just sent to me. So you can use this to say have a photographer send the current week's thumbnails to an assistant every week automatically, if we can just get it to run automatically. So in Automator, I want to save this workflow out as either a workflow or an application. I'll choose an application this time, call it sendphotos.app, and for the purposes of this demonstration, I'll save it to the desktop. Now I have something that I can hook into iCal. In iCal, I'll decide to run this, say, on Friday nights. I'll click on a future Friday night, give it a name, and I will then have it repeat every week. I'll set a time, like 9 p.m. Then I will look at the alarms, and I will say, open a file. I'll change the file to other and select sendphotos.app at the desktop, and then I still have to go back here and select sendphotos.app like that. So now it says open file sendphotos.app 15 minutes before I can change it to on date to have it do exactly that at exactly that time. I can set another alarm, like a little message or something that get triggered. Click done. So now I look in iCal here and I see it's going to send photos. It's going to run that script every Friday at 9 o'clock. And it should send that email automatically now. So of course the Mac has to be on, it has to have access to all these applications. Nothing else can get in the way. This is useful if it's a production Mac that is always running, and this won't be a problem. You don't have to schedule it to run every week. You can schedule it only for a specific time in the future, or have a script standing by, and every once in a while you can create a new schedule, say to send you some more data only when you're on vacation, that kind of thing. I hope you found this useful. Till next time, this is Gary Rosenzweig with MacMost Now.